Funnel psychology. What is funnel psychology? So when you want to be successful in affiliate marketing, you have to understand building a story. We want to transition our customers from our ads to the landing page through our entire funnel. But if you mess up transitioning your customer right from the beginning, this is not going to work. So you have to pay close attention to this. Now I'll give you an example. If I'm promoting a ClickBank offer called Red Tea Detox, when a customer is reading my Facebook ad copy, they're going to have a general idea that when they leave Facebook, they're going to a Red Tea Detox page. Now, when my customer goes, the funnel psychology, we want our customer to go to the Red Tea Detox landing page. Now, here's a common mistake. When that customer leaves Facebook and they go to the landing page, guess what? There's a green machine offer on the landing page that has nothing to do with Red Tea. Now keep in mind, the green machine will also complement our Red Tea Detox, but we want our customer to feel comfortable when they're making that transition. So how do we do that? How do we build that funnel psychology? Well, I'm going to show you a couple examples on good funnel psychology. If I'm promoting a Pitbull page, for example, and on that Pitbull page, I'm selling dog Pitbull necklaces. When people leave Facebook, I'm not going to have that same necklace on a German Shepherd. I'm going to have that necklace on a Pitbull, keeping everything consistent. So now when we build out a chatbot sequence for our customers and we message our customer through the Facebook inbox, we're going to tell them exactly what to expect. We're going to tell them, hey Anthony, click here to get your download for Red Tea Detox. I love this product. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm happy to help. See, when we send people a message in Facebook, we're transitioning them. So when we build out these campaigns, think about the end result of your customer. We want to transition their mind frame from a prospect to a potential customer on our landing page and then transition that to an affiliate sale. So let's dive right in. So now here's an example. Rent-to-own homes. Big market real estate with affiliate offers. You can typically find these offers that pay $2 to $4 for someone to just put in their basic information on a first page submit. So we look right here, ad copy looks okay. We see 444 comments, but we want to keep everything consistent. So when the user leaves Facebook, I'm going to show you two landing pages. Landing page A. Now this landing page wouldn't work as well. Reason being, it says enter zip. Yes, that can be a good lead magnet into transitioning someone from Facebook. So by taking a look at this landing page, there really isn't enough detail on this landing page that would make me actually want to trust this. There's actually an email sign right there when it's saying enter zip. To me, as a customer, that would start throwing off red flags. Now take a look at this other landing page. Now this landing page is click here to search for homes. This other landing page here says enter zip, but it has an email sign right there. It also has that same curved arrow for search. So we would essentially be searching for properties. So now those are key indicators that can throw off your conversions. So now let's take a look at this other Facebook fan page I found. So find plenty of homes that rent to own in your area. First time buyers and bad credit are welcome. We see they have a bit.ly link. We can actually plug that bit.ly in with a plus sign to see how much traffic that link actually got. But we see here 3.3K views. Ad copy is decent. I like this emoji right here. Could be a little bit better. So as you're working on your funnel psychology, think about the call to action on this. This says search. Now when we click here to search for homes. Now let's just click right here. We see right here, guess what? It puts us into a survey. How many bedrooms are you looking for? Well, I'm looking for 3 to 4 bedrooms. And then look, allow 5 to 10 seconds. So it put us in a small survey with this landing page. And then guess what? This is actually an affiliate offer it just redirected us to. You can find this offer in Peerfly, Max Bounty, and most of the networks. This CPL, this offer should pay about $3 for this offer. But that's interesting. We see that it took us from the landing page. It made us make a micro commitment, choosing how many bedrooms we want. And then now it's asking for the city, state, or zip code. So look right here now. Now this is asking for the zip. So ask yourself this. Which landing page would you trust more? Would you trust the one that had you make that micro commitment, or would you trust something like this?